1967. Plymouth GTX Electromod Concept at SEMA Show 2024. The 1967 Plymouth GTX Electromod Concept offers a peek into the future of possible battery electric vehicle, BEV, conversion kit applications. By showing a potential future Mopar e-crate propulsion system for enthusiasts to build or convert classic and current cars and trucks into BEVs. At first glance, the striking frostbite blue exterior paint and lowered stance begin to show what makes this zero-emission muscle car concept so special. Noticeable exterior enhancements include a carbon fiber front splitter and custom low-profile rear spoiler. No classic Mopar restomod would be complete without paying homage to the flip-top fuel caps of the 1960s to 70s, which has been updated to function as a charge port door. Custom carbon fiber hood with dual functional air extractors, accented with dual satin black stripes, tipping its hat to the original Plymouth GTX. The carbon fiber hood covers a scalable 400-volt, 250-kilowatt electric drive module, EDM, that attaches to the frame with custom-designed isolated motor mounts. All mounts are designed with ease of manufacturing in mind, with each brace or bracket designed to be water jet cut from 6061 aluminum alloy. Atop the Mopar Blue EDM sits the integrated dual charging module, IDCM, carrying a custom-styled cover to honor the Hellcat supercharger from the world's quickest, fastest, and most powerful muscle cars. This EDM mounting kit application has the potential to work between both E and B body vehicles. Output is approximately 335 horsepower, and torque to the rear wheels runs through a 3-to-1 gear reducer. Driving range is an estimated 250 miles. 4 battery packs carry a total of 384 lithium-ion battery cells. 3 packs are enclosed in a custom-built cartridge-style aluminum frame securely mounted in the trunk, designed for easy removal during service or replacement. The 4th battery pack is mounted below a set of low-profile radiators under the hood and behind the grille for better weight distribution and to improve engine bay appearance. The entire battery system is rated at 73 kilowatt-hours, with each battery weighing approximately 230 pounds. The GTX Electromod Concept rides on a lowered 3-link suspension with 18 by 9-inch BTG Vintage Bronze forged magnesium wheels and Pirelli P-ZERO PZ4 tires. Stopping power comes from Wilwood disc brakes at all 4 corners. Features numerous custom touches. A unique driver interface system features custom gauges, including a 160 mile/hour analog speedometer, battery charge level, instantaneous drive motor current, and battery and motor coolant temperatures, all housed in a custom-designed cluster bezel. Gone is the original 3-spoke round steering wheel in favor of a more modern leather-wrapped flat-bottom 3-spoke steering wheel finished in vintage bronze surrounded by indigo blue leather and bright orange accent stitching. The horn pad features a floating bronze Omega M that pays tribute to the original floating Plymouth steering hub. Blue interior door panels include vintage bronze accents and manual window cranks to preserve the classic look and feel. Mopar stainless steel pedal covers add bold contrast and provide superior grip for the driver.